Okay, so now we want to add and subtract these fractions. How are we going to do it? Well, what I'm going to suggest is to just go ahead and multiply by the other denominator. Now you could find the common denominator and do all that monkey business, but I think it's easier just multiply by the other denominator. Notice what I'm doing. Let me switch the color for clarity. I'm multiplying top and bottom of this fraction by the other denominator, 28, multiplying top and bottom of this fraction by the other denominator, 12. Now, why am I doing that? Because they don't have the same denominator, right? So step one, make the denominators the same by multiplying by the other denominator, top and bottom. You with me? So this is 28 times 12, and this one is also 28 times 12. See how both denominators are going to be the same now because they both are 28 times 12. So I just did it on my calculator. They're both 336. You see that? Because they're both 28 times 12. Now, what's the top? 28 times 1, that's just 28. 1 times 12, that's just 12. So now we can add them or subtract them, as the case may be, because the denominators match. So step one is to make the denominators the same by multiplying by the other denominator, top and bottom. See what I did? You got to do the same thing top and bottom, don't you? That way you don't actually change the fraction, you just make it look different. You with me? So we've got to multiply top and bottom of the fraction by the same thing. That way we don't change the fraction. We just make it look different. And now they both have the same denominator. That's the new look we've given them. They both have the same denominator. Now we can go 28 plus negative 12. What's that? Well, it's subtraction. It leaves 16 over 336. That's what I just did there. I did 28 plus negative 12, which became 16. 28 minus 12, effectively. Okay, and now we need to reduce that fraction. Now, a lot of your calculators will do this for you automatically, and I'd be glad to help you find out how to do that if you're not sure. I'm going to divide by 4, see if that does it for me. That brings it down to 4 over 84. Oh, and then I can divide by 4 again. And it comes down to 1 over 21. There's it. So you just keep dividing top and bottom, reducing as far as you can until it comes all the way down. And so there we go.